In this video, I'm going to break down 10 affiliate programs that you can join right now and start earning. I've been in the affiliate marketing game for quite some time, and I've tried tons of programs along the way. So today, I want to share some of the best ones that actually work. So let's dive straight into the list. The first one is super important, and honestly, I think everyone should be part of this one. Amazon Associates. Yup. Amazon has its own affiliate program, and basically you can promote almost anything on their platform. What makes it awesome is the sheer number of products you can share. Let's talk about commissions for a second. Basically, you're looking at anywhere from 1% to 10% depending on the product category. Now, some people think, hey, that's not much, but hear me out. Because Amazon has so many products, you can make consistent money. Plus, once someone clicks your link, you earn a commission on anything they buy in the next 24 hours, even if it's not the product you were promoting. And the best part? People already trust Amazon. Almost everyone has an account, so getting clicks to convert is way easier compared to some other platforms. That's why I always tell people, start here. It's a solid foundation with tons of options for promoting different products. Quick break before we continue. If you're new to affiliate marketing and want a simple step-by-step guide to get started, I've got something for you. You can grab my free affiliate marketing guide for beginners. It walks you through everything from choosing the right niche to setting up your first campaign and earning your first commissions. It's completely free, no strings attached. Just check out the link below or on the screen, download your copy, and start learning how to build a business that can make you $100 a day or more. All right. Let's jump back into it. Next up, we've got Etsy. This one's pretty straightforward. They pay a flat 4% commission on pretty much everything. Now, one thing that makes Etsy different from Amazon is their cookie length. Amazon's cookie lasts 24 hours and Target's is around a week, but Etsy, it's 30 days. That means if someone clicks your link today and makes a purchase 29 days later, you still get the commission. Etsy has tons of unique products, from handmade crafts to vintage finds, so there's a lot of opportunities to find items that fit your audience. You can browse the platform, pick out some interesting products, and start sending people over to Etsy through your affiliate link. It's a simple, reliable way to make some extra cash online. Next up, we've got another broad affiliate program, TikTok Shop. This one has really blown up over the last few years, and there's a huge variety of products you can promote. The cool thing is, it's totally free. No products to buy, nothing to sell, just a guide on how to get started and start promoting products on TikTok Shop. I've seen people make tens of thousands of dollars doing this just by sharing products they already own or bought from TikTok Shop. They make a few videos, and before you know it, they're earning serious money from simple promotions. This is a bit like Amazon in that there's basically an endless selection of products to promote. But there are a couple of catches. You do need a certain number of followers on TikTok to get started, and you can only promote TikTok Shop products on TikTok itself. So if your audience is mostly on Instagram or YouTube, this one can be a little limiting compared to Amazon, but if you're active on TikTok, it's a really solid way to make some money. All right, let's dive into some more specific affiliate programs you can start using this year. First up, Adobe. This one is awesome if you've got experience with Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, or any of the other Adobe products. If you're creating tutorials, maybe Photoshop tips on YouTube, or Illustrator tricks on TikTok or Instagram Reels, you can get people to sign up for Adobe through your special affiliate link. Every time someone signs up, you earn 85% of their first month's payment. Most Adobe plans run between $30 and $70 a month, which means you could be making $30, $40, even $50 per sign up. And the best part, you're teaching something you probably already know, and people are actively searching for these tutorials. You can even do this on your blog, not just social media. It's a simple way to turn your skills into real cash. Next, let's talk about Stan. This one's really cool if you're looking to help other creators make money online. Stan is a platform that helps creators monetize their businesses. They can sell ebooks, schedule coaching calls, run courses, and so much more. Essentially, it's a one-stop shop for creators to set up and manage their business. Here's the affiliate angle. Stan offers 20% recurring commissions for every creator you get to sign up. That means if someone signs up for the $29 per month creator plan, you make about $6 every month for as long as they stay subscribed. And on the Creator Pro plan at $100 per month, that's $20 every single month. Recurring commissions like this are awesome because it's basically passive income. You can keep earning for months or even years just from the people you sign up with today. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing, programs with recurring payouts like Stan are worth paying attention to. They can really build up into a long-term, steady income stream. Next up, let's talk about Coinbase. If you're into crypto, investing, or even just explaining finance topics online, this one is really solid. Coinbase is a name almost everyone recognizes, which makes it easier to get people to trust your link. Here's how it works. When someone signs up through your referral link, you earn 50% of Coinbase's trading fees for the first 3 months. Let me break that down a bit. Say someone clicks your link, signs up, and invests $10,000 into Bitcoin. Coinbase charges roughly a 1 to 1.5% trading fee. That means from that one person, you could make around $75. Now, not everyone is investing $10,000. That's true. Some people might invest $10 or $50, so your earnings per person will vary. But here's the thing. Even those smaller amounts add up if you're consistently creating content and sharing your link. You're essentially partnering with Coinbase and earning a cut of what they make from your referrals, which is a pretty cool setup for a passive income stream. This program works really well if you're making crypto tutorials, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, or even educational blog posts. And if your content provides value, your Coinbase affiliate link can convert naturally without feeling pushy. Now, let's shift gears to Expedia. This one's perfect if you're in the travel niche or just love sharing travel tips, destination guides, or vacation planning content. Expedia lets you earn up to 4% commission on every qualifying booking made through your affiliate links. That includes hotels, resorts, vacation packages, and even experiences like tours or attractions. A lot of people might see 4% and think, that's not a lot, but let's put it into perspective. Say someone books a $3,000 hotel for a week-long Disney trip or a luxury vacation. That 4% commission equals $120 in your pocket from just one booking. Imagine if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page focused on travel, and dozens of people book through your links each month. You can start making serious money. Some travel bloggers have made 6 figures just by consistently recommending hotels and experiences through Expedia's affiliate program over the years. The key with Expedia, like any travel program, is trust and audience engagement. People need to trust your recommendations before they'll click your links and book. That's why creating valuable content like top 10 hotels in Paris or best family-friendly resorts in Florida works so well. Now, one that is going to be a really high rate is actually going to be Surfshark's. So Surfshark is a VPN service. Lots of people use VPNs for various reasons. Sometimes you might be wanting to watch Netflix in Europe and you want to watch American Netflix or something. And people use VPNs for a lot of reasons, but Surfshark pays really, really well. And so you're getting a 40% revenue share on new sales with this affiliate program. You got the 30-day cookie window, and the product is, pretty expensive. And so if you're getting 40% on something and, the average person is spending, $40 or $50 a year on that, you're getting $20 or $30 for every person who's signing up for this VPN. It's very easy to convert people on VPNs. Regardless of what type of content you're making, you can probably find a way to slip in like a self-made Surfshark VPN ad into any type of content that you're making. And that's why I think it's one that everyone should be in to make some extra passive income by promoting a company like this. All right, quick break, because if you're doing anything in SEO, content, or marketing, this is something you should at least be aware of. Search has completely shifted. People aren't just clicking Google results anymore. They're getting answers straight from AI summaries, overviews, and chatbots. And here's the wild part. If AI gives the answer and your brand isn't the one being cited, you're basically invisible. So Ubersuggest just rolled out something called AI Visibility, and it's designed specifically to help with this new reality. What it does is actually break down how AI is generating answers in your industry and who it's citing. It shows things like the prompts and keywords that trigger AI responses, where brands and competitors are being cited or not, the sources AI models trust the most, and it tracks 40 plus SERP and AI features all in one clean dashboard. All right, let's walk through this new AI search visibility tool using Gymshark as our example. Step 1, pop in your website URL. Step 2, type Gymshark into the brand name field. Make sure it's spelled correctly. One typo and the system won't link it to your brand. Next, choose your language and location. For the most important part, your main topic or keyword. Pick the term that actually represents what you want to measure against your competitors. If Gymshark were doing this for a specific region, say Gymshark London, adding the city would make the results way more accurate. The more specific you are, the better the data. For example, choosing something super broad like fitness apparel might give you generic results and a bunch of unrelated competitors, but narrowing it down to something closer to Gymshark's core, like gym clothing brand or activewear brand, will generate far more relevant prompts and competitor lists. Once you've nailed the best keyword for Gymshark, hit Search AI to preview the prompts. Look them over. If they're not quite right, adjust your keyword and try again. You can refine it as many times as you need. When the prompts look solid, click continue to generate your results. And if you ever need to remove Gymshark from your list, just head to the settings menu. You'll find the delete option there. The whole idea is to give you the kind of insight that normally only enterprise tools provide without the enterprise price tag. If you want to check it out for yourself, Ubersuggest has a free 7-day trial of the new AI visibility tools. Just use the link in the description. Make sure you click my link so they know I sent you. All right, back to the video. Now let's talk about one of my favorite affiliate programs, and that is the FreshBooks affiliate program. So let me break it down for you. FreshBooks is cloud accounting software designed for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. It's not just a tool. They have a really strong reputation and people actually pay for it because it solves a real problem: managing invoices, tracking expenses, and keeping finances organized. Now, here's where the affiliate opportunity comes in. FreshBooks offers up to 200% commission for each new customer you refer who signs up for a paid plan. That's right, some affiliates report earning $50 to $200 per conversion depending on the plan the customer chooses. And the best part? Unlike a one-time low-ticket sale, this is for a subscription service, so the payout can really add up over time. For example, let's say you write a detailed review or create a tutorial showing how FreshBooks helps small business owners save time on accounting. You walk them through creating invoices, tracking expenses. If someone clicks your affiliate link and signs up for a paid plan, you can earn a significant commission for doing something as simple as sharing your honest experience and tips. You don't have to have a massive audience to make this work. Even a few conversions per month can turn into hundreds or even thousands of dollars in affiliate income. And just like with other affiliate programs, if you don't see a program publicly listed, don't hesitate to reach out directly to the company. Many companies, including software companies like FreshBooks, are happy to set up a custom affiliate link if you're serious about sending them customers. And finally, we've got YouTube Shopping. This is one of the newer affiliate programs that YouTube has been rolling out over the past couple of years. With YouTube Shopping, you can earn up to 15% commission for promoting products directly through the platform. What's cool about this is that the links are embedded right inside your videos, so viewers don't even have to leave YouTube to shop. It's a seamless experience for your audience, and YouTube likes it too because they get a small cut from the sales. Essentially, it's their way of competing with platforms like TikTok Shop, which has been killing it with in-app shopping. The commissions are solid, 15% on average, which is really attractive for something built directly into your content. It's perfect for creators who are already making product reviews, unboxings, or tutorials because you can literally link the products you're talking about right under your video. There are a couple of limitations to be aware of. First, you need at least 10,000 subscribers to join the program, so it's not for everyone yet. Second, it's currently only available in the US and South Korea, which limits access for creators in other countries. But even if you don't meet the requirements right now, I'd keep an eye on this because I fully expect YouTube to expand it globally in the next year or two. Once that happens, this could be a huge opportunity for creators everywhere. So there you have it. Those are the 10 affiliate programs I'd consider applying to this year. Whether you're into general product promotion, creative tools, travel, crypto, or e-commerce, there's something on this list that can work for your audience. Honestly, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to build passive income, and it's amazing to see the difference it can make when you consistently create content and promote products you actually believe in. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips, tutorials, and insider strategies. I'll see you in the next video.